Hello guys, so this is a mystery push pop. As you can see it. And I'm gonna try it. I hope it tastes good. So, here it is. It's white. Let's see. So, it's like this. And I'm gonna try it. It's clear, but this is white. On my tongue, it's clear. Clear. And today, guys, there were stinky trees outside. So that's disgusting. So that's all for today. Bye.